Good morning everyone. Hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class I sent one PDF, right? That is about playing with the numbers only, the second chapter, and in that I given that is a factor definition as well as the multiple definition, and after that difference between the factors and multipliers. Okay, so just know that all the differences, then only you can find the factors as well as the multipliers. Otherwise it's a very difficult. Okay, so and write that PDF in a CW also. Okay, not only in HW, you have to write in a CW also. Okay, so now we'll begin with the exercise number 2.1, and after difference one more thing is given as that is a order of operations, right? So that is in that use of brackets, and after that the simplification of brackets, and we have to how to simplify the problems here using the BODMAS rule. What is the BODMAS meaning here? B stands for the brackets. Next, O stands for the of function. BODMAS rule, right? BODMAS. B nothing but here brackets. Okay. Next, O means of function. D means division. And M means multiplication. After that, S means subtraction. Right? So here B stands for the brackets, O stands for the of function, D stands for the division, M for multiplication, S for, sorry, here one more thing left. A here, addition. Okay, so whenever they given a problem, okay, you have to first solve the all the brackets. Second thing is to solve as the of function. If there is any of function, then solve that one also. After that, do the division. Next one multiplication. Next one addition. Next one subtraction. Okay, so this is the rule to solve all the problems whenever they given a mixed signs. Okay, if there is only one sign, then you will do the problem till 5th standard. You did like that only, right? But now in 6th standard you will get a both operations or a 3 or more operations in a only one problem: plus, minus, division, multiplication, all are together in a only one problem. That time what we have to do, we have to follow this BODMAS rule. BODMAS means what? B stands for brackets, D stands for, sorry, O stands for of function, next D stands for the division, M stands for the multiplication, A stands for the addition, S stands for the subtraction. Okay, using this rule we can solve the problems. Okay, so now we'll begin the problem now. Okay, so start the exercise number 2.1. Start the exercise number 2.1. Exercise number 2.1. In that first one, what is the first one they given here? Write a mathematical operation for each of the following. Write a mathematical operation for each of the following. What is the first one they given here? First one is 18 added to the quotient of 16 and 8. Okay, quotient of 16 and 8 means they divided, right? Whenever we do the division, then only we will get a quotient, right? So quotient of 16 and 8 means here 16 divide 8. Okay, you will get a quotient here. Next, plus, okay, sorry, not to do, it is 18 plus 18. Okay, 18 is added to the quotient of 16 and 8. Getting everyone? 18 is added to the quotient of 16 and 8. Okay, this is the mathematical operation. Next one. What is the next one? 9 is multiplied to the sum of 17 and 20. 24. 9 is multiplied. 9 is multiplied to the sum of 17 and 24. Okay. See here, sum of 17 and 24. To that sum we have to multiply 9. This is the mathematical operation here. Okay. Next, third one. What is the third one here? Divide the sum of 7 and 9 by the difference of 9 and 6. Divide the sum of 7 and 9. Divide the sum of 7 and 9 with the difference of 9 and 6. With the difference of 9 and 6. Okay. Sum of 9 and 7 is divided by difference of 9 and 6. Okay, they given in a words, we have to write in a mathematical operation. Okay, next fourth one. What is the fourth question they given here? Half of 24 added to the product of 27 and 3. Okay, half of 24 is added to the product of like this, product of 27 and 3. Half of 24 is added to the product of the 27 and 3. It means multiplication. So here half is there. First we have to do the half function. After that multiplication. Next add those two numbers. That is the meaning of that sentence. Okay. So we finished the first main here. Now we'll go with the second main. That is simplify. Okay, first one simplify. We'll start with the one by one now. Second main, simplify. First one. 23 minus 10 divided by 2. Right? So now, observe the BODMAS rule. Okay? So first is the bracket is there. Whether here is the bracket. Is there any bracket in this problem? No brackets. Then leave. Next, off function. Is there any off function here? No off function. Next. What is there? Next is a division. So first we have to do is here division. Don't subtract here. That is wrong method. You have to follow this BODMAS rule. Okay. So first observe whether there is a bracket or not. If there is a bracket, then solve that bracket. If there is no bracket, then go for the next. Next one is a off function. Check whether there is a off function or not. If there is a off function, then do it. Otherwise, next go for the next operation. What is the next operation here? Division. So is there any division here? Yes, here is the division. 10 divided by 2. Right? So now do the division here. That is equal to 23. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Right? Because of this minus and write minus only here also. Okay. So first do the division. Because in BODMAS rule says that first we have to do the division, after that multiplication, after that addition, next last is a subtraction. Okay, so here division is there. For that reason first we have to do the division only. After that only one operation is there, only minus is there, then directly subtract. Okay, so now 23 minus 5 is 18. 18 is the answer. I hope everyone are getting what I am saying here. So please listen carefully. Once if you understand properly, then you can do any problem in this chapter. Otherwise it's very difficult. Okay, so please be concentrate here. What I am saying, that you have to concentrate here. Okay, so next one we'll do the second one now. 33 minus 3 into 4. 33 minus 3 into 4 they given here. Now observe. See. Again bracket is there. No brackets. Next off function is there. No off function. Division is there. no division. Multiplication is there? Yes, here is the multiplication, right? So first do the multiplication here. 33 minus 4 is the 12 here. So now 33 minus 12. What is the answer? 33 minus 12. That will be the 21 is the answer. Getting everyone? 33 minus 3 into 4. First we have to do the multiplication. So do the multiplication, that will be the 12 here. Next is the only subtraction is this. So 33 minus 12 is 21. This is the answer. Getting? Next one. Third one. We will do the third one now. What is the third one they given here? 60 minus 3. 60 minus 3 into 4 into 2. Okay? See here. 60 minus 3 into 4 into 2. Here, for 3 numbers they given a multiplication. Right? So, according to the board mass rule, there is a no brackets and there is a no function and there is a no division. Only multiplication is the direct way. So first do the multiplication here. That is 60 minus 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Now 60 minus 24. What is the answer? 60 minus 24. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 6 minus 3, that is 36. Okay, 60 minus 24 is the 36. 36 is the answer for this problem. Okay, so next fourth one. What is the fourth question here? That is 15. 15 divided by 3 plus 2. 15 divided by 3 plus 2 here. Again, observe the board mass rule. First will be the bracket function. Is there any bracket function here? No bracket function. After that, what is that? Off function. Here, no off function. Next is the division. Is there any division here? Yes, here we are having a division. So first divide 15 by 3. What is that? 15 divided by 3. Quotient will be the 3 5s are, right? So quotient will be the 5 here. Next plus 2. What is the answer for 5 plus 2? That will be the 7. 7 is the answer for the fourth problem. Now go for the fifth one. What is the fifth problem here? That is 8 into 7. 8 into 7 minus 6 into 3. Right? So once again observe the board mass rule. First, no bracket function, no off function, no division function. After division, what is there? Multiplication. So do the multiplication, these two here. 8 7s are 56 minus 6 is 18. Now subtract. 56 minus 18 is here. 18 minus 6, 8, 5 minus 2, 3. That will be the answer. 38 is the answer. Next is sixth one. What is the sixth one here? 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 plus 3 into 2. Okay. 5 plus 2 plus 3 into 2 they given here. Okay. See here. First we have to do the multiplication here. Do the multiplication here. 5 plus 2 plus here 3 2s are 6. Now all are addition. Do the addition. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 is the answer. Next seventh one. Seventh one is here 6 plus 10 divided by 2. 6 plus 10 divided by 2 here. Now observe here. First, here is a division is there. It means what? We have to do the first as a division only. So 10 divided by 2. What is the answer? 10 divided by 2. That will be the 5. So 6 plus 5 here. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is the answer. Getting everyone? So simplify the given like this. And the last problem of this second one, I'll do here. 8th one. Okay? 8th one here I'll do. What is that question here? eighth one, that is 15 divided by 5 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, 15 divided by 5 plus 8 divided by 2 here. So now again we have to do the first division only. 5 divided by 15 divided by 5 means it is a 3 plus 8 divided by 2 means 2 fours are, that is 4 here. So now add those two values, that is 7. 7 is the answer here. Getting everyone? So like this, using a Bodmas, we have to solve all the problems. Okay, we finished the second main. Now we'll go for the third main. Okay, so start the third main. Third main, simplify. Simplify. First one. What is the first question? Right here. 32 minus 8 plus 14. 8 plus 14 minus 7. Okay. What Bodmas says here? Okay. See here. First we have to do the bracket. We have to solve the bracket. Is there any bracket function? Yes, here is a bracket is there. Then we have to solve this bracket right here. 32 minus 8 plus 14 is 8 plus 14. That will be the 22. Next minus 7. Remove that bracket. Once if you solved that bracket, okay, in that bracket only addition is there. We did the addition here. Okay, so already you got that is as a sum here. Then just remove that bracket. Once if you solved that bracket, then just remove that bracket. Don't write bracket in the next step also. Okay, 8 plus 14 is 22 here. Now, here after that what you have to do? Addition. Is there any addition here? No addition. See here. Here 32 is there. Minus 22. Minus 7 is there. Right? So only subtraction is there. First do this subtraction. 32 minus 22 is 10 minus 7. That will be the 3. 3 is the answer. Okay. Getting what I am saying here? First solve the bracket. After that go for the next operations. So we solved the first as a bracket. After that we are having only subtraction here. So first to subtract these two, that is 10 here. After that again minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Next second one. Do the second problem here. What is the second one? 32 minus 8 plus 14 minus 7. 32 minus 8 plus 14 minus 7. See, 32 minus 8. What is the answer? 32 minus 8. That will be the 24. Next, plus here 14 minus 7 is 7. Now add these two values. 24 plus 7 is 30. Okay. So using a Bodmas, we can solve all the problems. And after that, okay, in the next main, just solve it yourself. That is a very easy. Okay, simplify. Third main is a very easy. Just do it yourself. I just solved only 2. After that, solve it yourself. And in fourth main, I'll tell 2 problems. And in fifth main, also one more problem I'll tell here. Okay. After that, I'll send all those problems as a PDF only. Okay. So first one here in fourth main. Third main, after third main, do it yourself, everyone. Only 2 problems I did. Next ones you have to do in third main. Okay, all are easy only. Just follow the rule of a Bodmas rule. So next in fourth main, I'll do one problem here. In fourth main, I will give you one problem, that is 12 means square bracket also they given here. For that reason I am doing here. 18 divided by 3. Next, square bracket complete, minus 11. So whenever the problem is like this, see here. So what is the board master says? First we have to solve the bracket only. So solve this bracket, full bracket we have to solve. In that bracket again we are having a sum one, right? So that will be the 18 divided by 3 is 18 divided by 3 6 minus 11. Next 12 plus 6 is 18 minus 11. That will be the 7. 7 is the answer. Okay. So first inside the bigger bracket, square bracket, so one more bracket is there. So for solve that is as the first thing here. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Again 12 plus 6, 18. Remove that square bracket also. Minus 11. 18 minus 11 is answer is 7 here. Like that we have to solve the problem. Okay. So that is also very easy only. In square bracket, one more bracket is there. Only that much is the extra. So first solve the inside bracket, whatever the inside the square bracket that is there, that you have to solve first. After that solve the square bracket. Next same as it is. Okay. So next fifth main. Fifth main, one more thing is there. In fifth main, second problem. Observe the second problem in the fifth main. That is above that value there is a bar is there. Bar means what? We have to do that value as the first thing. Okay. So always you have to solve as a bar as the first. Whenever there is a bar, you have to solve that one as the first here. I'll just show that. Fifth main, second example. First one do it yourself only. That is also easy. 37 minus 27 here minus of 16. Next will be the minus, again bracket is there. 5 minus 3 minus 1 bar, bracket close. Okay, like this is there. Right? So 37 as it is here minus. We have to solve this square bracket first. So inside the square bracket again here a flower bracket is there and here a what? Normal bracket is there. So whenever they are given a bar like this, we have to solve this one as the first here. See here 27 minus 16 minus here 5 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So it means what? We have to write this. We have to solve as this the first. Next flower bracket and like this. Next 37 minus 27 minus 16. 5 minus 2 is 3. So next is square bracket. So 37 minus 27 minus 16 minus 3 is 13. Right? Next 37 minus 27 minus 13 is, that will be the 14. So 37 minus 14 is 3, 2. 23 is the answer. Like this we have to solve the problem. Hope everyone are getting. Just use the board mass rule. Only observe the board mass, you will get the answer here. Okay. So further all the problems I will send as a PDF. Okay. Third main do it yourself only. Only fourth, fifth, sixth main I'll send as a PDF in the next class. Okay. So we'll continue in the next class. Homework is solve this first main, second main, third main. That is the homework for you. Solve exercise number 2.1 till third main. That is the homework for you. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.